it was gonna be. But we got it done. It was kind of worth it, kind of not. I mean, to its own extent, but I like it. Shot. Look, guys.
Shot.
Hydration shot. Don't tell me this is pickle juice for pickleball.
No, that's disgusting.
What is that? Why does it taste like that? It's like carbonated lemonade.
Yeah, that's what it is.
What'd you put in it?
You know those aminos I drink?
Yeah.
That's what it is. It's just with sparkling water instead of normal water.
Bro, the other day I went to the...
That's what I be doing because like you get tired of like if you just drink aminos, bro, you'll get tired of the fucking taste and the powdery taste in your mouth.
Yeah.
So I just make it with sparkling water.
It's
some
not
days.
bad. You know that...
it's really not.
What's that one like nutrition place besides GNC?
Vitamin Shop?
Mm-hmm. I went there the other day and they had this cookie, 20 grams of protein.
I know what you're talking about.
It was so dank.
5.
Damn, rich guy. He is slow. Look at this. It's not even an S.
Yo, you know why?
It's not even an S, bro.
Big man.
Why?
He wants to hide it.
And look, it's formatic. Weak.
Formatic slow.
Yeah. You want to serve? I'm not even gonna rock paper scissors. Just go. Alright guys, is it mine? Your first time?
No, I'm forgetting.
My first time playing pickleball. Okay. Holy shit.
First time playing.
Bro, I'm f***ing tired, bro.
Are you?
It's like we went to the gym.
Hell yeah, we did. It's called pickleball gym. That was good though. Mad productive. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I did get kicked out. I was supposed to do the whole
Look at this thing, bro.
Yeah,
Piece of.
it's massive production, you
It's
know?
a massive production. You know, Jimmy's face got
Honestly, guys, I hate on this car way too much. It's not that bad.
Bro,
not the whole way.
He's not even good anymore.
He's missing the S badge because he got it rewrapped. It's a
It's
S.
just not as crowded anymore.
And the guy that wrapped it
He can't do it.
put this on there to troll him.
He's good for doctors now.
No cap, that's funny.
He's a doctor DJ.
You can't play 90s hip hop with young kids.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Y'all see this light moving around. I got a headlamp on, so it's just because we're gonna be working in the garage for today's video. But this is what we are doing today. We are installing this radar mount hardwire kit. So right now I have this wire. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's this long wire. I usually plug it in right there. And then this goes, sorry guys, this goes into here. So like you guys could visualize how that looks. And with this will plug in right here, right into that. And then the red and the black will get plugged into something behind here, which is something we still got to figure out, but it has this camera right there. Do you guys see that? It has that camera, so essentially there's some kind of power there that we can pull out of it. What is that? Guys, my car is so dirty. It needs a wash bad. Look at this, bro. It just collects so much dirt right here. You'll see that? Oh my god. Okay, so let's get to work. First things first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to just pull this plastic off from each side. I know that if I stick my fingernail in there, it should pop out. So let me give that a try. Hold up. Alright guys, so this is a little bit harder than I was expecting. So I push like right here, And I got that one single top clip off. I don't know if you guys can see it. But now I'm trying to like pry it off like that just by grabbing it. And it's not budging. So I'm going to try to stick this in here. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Oh. Did that scratch anything? I don't think so. I gotta check. Hold on. No, I think we're good. But yeah, so we got this one side off. Let me put my headlight back on. The mirror a little bit. Okay, perfect. Alright. Huh. That looks a lot different than what I saw in the video. F80, how to do mirror top.
And then you separately get out to actually tap into. So I'm going to go ahead and get this big one unplugged.
Huh. So I think what I'm wondering is, I might have the stuff for connected drive, so it's a little bit different. Alright guys, I'm not the most technically inclined person, but we got it. So, I don't know if you guys can see right there. Let me show you all this way. You'll see that pink plug? The purple plug? Right there. Yeah, so on the left side of that plug, I plugged in the ground. That's that black wire that's coming out of it right now. And then on this side, I plugged in the red. Can y'all see that on the pink? But yeah. Now, I want to see if this works real quick, so.
Recording started.
Whoa. That was an aggressive startup. Hold up.
Wi-Fi is on.
Let's hang up the radar. And let's plug this in. Yo! Let's go, guys! I feel so satisfied after I just did that. Wow. And now let's turn her off. And let's see how long this stays on. Let me fix this though. Hold up. Damn, guys. I literally just pulled it out on accident. Alright, guys. So I have it on right now. I'm going to see how long it stays on if I just lock the car. So, let's close that door. Let's close this door. And let's hit the lock button. Alright. You guys can faintly see that A, can y'all? It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's like right there. But I see it right now, and it's still on. So let's see how long it's... And my dash cam's on, so y'all see that? Now, let's just give it a few minutes. And we'll put a timer on. How about that? Alright guys, so let's start a stopwatch real quick. Let's see how long it takes for the lights to turn off inside. So like my dash cam and the actual radar itself. Alright guys, so we are 1:30 in. The radar is still on and the dash cam is still on. I see the lights on both still. So my guess is maybe around 2:30, maybe 3 minutes it should shut off. Let's see. Alright guys, so 2 minutes 30 seconds. I cannot make this up. I literally just paused it as soon as I saw it. But look, the lights are off. Everything is fully off. I'm gonna go on that side just to prove it to y'all. Look, everything is off. That's the dash cam up there. My tint's so dark y'all can't see it, but that red light that y'all see flashing is the security system for the car, or whatever they call it. So now let's open the car and the dash cam and the radar should turn on. Y'all saw that? So the dash cam and the radar just turned on.
Recording started.
And my star lights flashed. Heck yeah. Let's turn those off though.
Wi-Fi is on.
Alright. So now I'm just gonna wrap up these cords right here. Since this cord is a little bit longer than I'd like, I'll wrap it up, tuck it away, and then I'll show you all the final product. Alright guys, we got her done. Check her out. All hardwired. I got it coming out the side right here. I had it pinched in between the middle plastics right there, but it looks so squished, so I wanted it to be like have a little bit more room. So I pulled it out of there. And then let me show you from the driver's seat how it looks. Look at that. No wires. We got just a clean setup for the radar. Don't mind the fingerprints, I have to clean all that, but clean. Just got one wire now. Let's go, guys. It's looking good now. Heck yeah. I've put off this mod for so long, guys. I've literally delayed this mod for so long. That wire has been sitting in my glove box for the past like year now. It came with this actual mount, and I never installed it just because I knew how much of a pain it was going to be. But we got her done. It was kind of worth it, kind of not. I mean, to its own extent, but I like it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope y'all learned a little something with me learning a little something. And yeah, we do have these parts sitting here, guys. We got a CSF charge cooler, and in one of these boxes down here we have inventory charge pipes. So we are almost about to be full bolt-ons. I am slowly getting the parts. Alright guys, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.
Turn the Chanel store to a hang. Massage me, turn my energy in. We do this for that and she in massage. She ready to get you know I'm in. I'm throwing up a dick and mid massage. Cut this shit up like a shit. 100 up the solo, I'm mid massage. The king, I'm the girl, you know I'm